This is OMA Television. I'm Brian Dolby and I'm here with Musa Unmehopa, who is our chair of the technical plenary. Musa, let's start by talking about developments that we're working on now in M2M. Where are we at the moment?
It's a very exciting time in M2M, and as we moved to 2013 and forwards, we're making a big play in M2M. It's our strategic focus area. It's very important. We're working with our industry partners like the One M2M partnership recently announced. We're very proud to be the first partner type 2 member, and therefore we think that we can play a big role in helping the One M2M partnership achieve its objectives. The way we want to do this is by advertising and advocating the good work that we've done in the mobile device management area. The OMA DM specification is very popular, deployed worldwide on 1.4 billion devices commercially. So we're very proud of that. We believe that we have a technology that's scalable, that's able to deal with the large volumes that we expect for machine to machine, and therefore that it's a very strong candidate to be adopted in the M2M area as well.
Yes, because there's a lot of excitement about M2M. People see pound, dollar signs, you name it, but there's a lot of work behind the scenes to make it really happen.
That is correct. If you look at analyst reports, they predict in the billions and billions of devices to be available in the next 5 to 10 years. Now, you always need to be careful with analyst reports because there's no market for pessimistic analyst reports. So you need to look at those numbers. But even if you take conservative estimates, billions and billions is a lot. And this potential market, in our view, is not going to be able to fly if we do not find a technical solution for the management and provisioning of all these devices. Because there will be so many out there, it's very important for M2M service operators to manage those devices, to provide them with the ability to provision them over the air with a wireless solution, and to manage them, to upgrade their software as time progresses, etc. Very important.
Yes, now moving away from M2M into network APIs, that's another really big area. Give us an update there too.
Yeah, network APIs, or APIs in general, is our second strategic focus area in the Open Mobile Alliance. And APIs really allow operators to open up their networks and expose the assets and capabilities they have in the networks and on devices to allow application developers to bring their creativity and innovative ideas to the networks of the operators. We have an extensive OMA API program with dozens of APIs in there. We've started this program several years ago when we took on the API development work, specification work. And most recently, we've adopted requirements from the industry, from some of our partners, like GSMA, like 3GPP, like the Small Cell Forum. So we're developing APIs for them as well. The idea to work with our industry partners is to make sure that we have a harmonized technology solution out there in the industry, so that we don't fragment the operator community and the developers, so that all applications that are developed can be reused and are applicable and available to as many customers as possible.
Yes, now membership of the OMA, it's quite wide now, worldwide, etc. I guess companies can take advantage of developing the processes with the OMA by being members. They can take part in the development.
That's right, yeah, we've been around for 10 years now. Earlier this year we celebrated our 10-year anniversary, so we have a lot of experience, a large legacy, but also a very active work program looking at new technologies. And any company who's considering membership has the ability to talk and exchange ideas with the thought leaders in the industry. We have excellent processes that can help you bring your idea to fruition in the form of a technology specification, which can then be adopted by the industry. So a very exciting place to be, and we're inviting many companies to join us and help us build exciting technology.
Yes, and I know that we attend a lot of the major conferences and exhibitions around the world. Very often you speaking on behalf of the organisation. What's your next couple of destinations?
Yeah, my next trip will be to San Francisco early in November, where I will be speaking on behalf of the Open Mobile Alliance at the Open Mobile Summit in San Francisco on the topic of connected home, and this ties back to our M2M technology. And then the week after that we're off to LA, where we have our final meeting of the year of the OMA, and which will also coincide with our annual general meeting. So a very exciting meeting.
Okay, well look, thanks for bringing us up to date on OMA television, and good luck for the rest of the year.
Yeah, thank you very much. My pleasure.